I'm not a monster. I'm really not. I think there's just an easier way that we can just do better to respect deaf people and other people with disabilities. All of us have value by sheer virtue that we are human beings. Hi everybody, my name is Bridget. This is my name sign. Born and raised in Chicago, I am an Afro-Latina woman, and I have 3 codas and 1 on the way. I am a business owner, and I'm a strong advocate for the ASL community. I think it's important that we make ASL much more readily accessible to different platforms like social media and even the news and everything else. It's 2022, and we're very behind. Beauty is inspiring others. Just like going to Sephora to shop, it gives me that sense of self. It bolsters my self-esteem, and then really just caring for my skin and taking care of my hair is just as important as taking care of my heart and my body. When I went into a Sephora, I felt like a kid in a candy store. And I'm able to see people that look like me, because I know that people that look like me also go to these stores. I believe Sephora really believes in beauty because they inspire us. They make us feel valued. So I have 3 codas, and codas means child of deaf adult. And those people that are KODA, coda, are under the age of 18, but CODA typically are those that are 18 and older. And I think I'm still gonna call them codas with the K for the rest of their lives because they're still my babies. I want the world to do better by us, to make it more accessible for us, not just myself. Don't walk away if you see deaf people. We're human, just like you are. Typically when I look in the mirror, I remind myself, I said, you know what? You are Bridget. You are confident. You do not give up. Even though you have a disability, you have potential, period. Don't give up. You're gonna show them.